and welcome back. Did you know plants have male and female? Most of the vegetables actually require what we call it the pollination in order to produce fruits. Let me show you an example. Come. Here I have some squash. This here, oh, there's bees already. Wonderful, wonderful. Bees are an excellent pollinator. I don't know how to say this, but hey, look, the bees are doing the job. So, first, they need to transfer the pollen from a male to a female. If you look at this flower and you look behind, look, it's a female. And this side here, look. These are the male. You see the difference here? It has nothing under. It's just like a flower. So, what if there are no bees to help transfer the pollen from the male to the female? Then we do it manually. We're just gonna rip one male and fly to the female. We take the female and, similar to human, we're gonna let them, have some fun. There you go. Just rub like this. Oh, yeah. Oh. So, just like humans, you need to make the male get in contact with the female. This is a male and this is a female. So, you let them touch it on each other. Oh, yeah. Oh, rub them. Oh, you know. Shh. It's serious here. We're trying to make a fruit. No laughing. Rub them. Rub them. Oh yeah. Gently. You see them? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, I think is it enough? Oh. The transfer of pollen, I think is complete. Oh. After that, you can simply throw the male. And the female is ready. There are plants which you don't need to, pollinize. A good example are peppers. The males and females are very close. It only takes some wind, or you can just shake the plant, and the pollen will fly to, between them. From the male to female. Same thing with tomatoes. The male and the female are pretty close. So again, just a little shake like this, or let the wind do the job. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.